小朋友, one of the reasons that Chinese food is so special and popular is because of its wide variety of dishes. Since China is so big, different regions have developed their own distinct ingredients and cooking styles over time. In this video, we will explore 4 of the most popular Chinese cuisines. Sichuan cuisine, or sometimes referred to as Chuan Cai, is perhaps the most well-known and is the favorite type of cuisine for spice lovers. Sichuan cuisine uses several dozen cooking techniques, including braising, basting, steaming, oil dripping, frying, and so on. Its basic flavors are tingly spicy, hot spicy, sweet, salty, tangy, and bitter, all of which can be combined to make even more refined tastes. Some representative dishes of Chuan Cai include 辣子鸡、麻婆豆腐和蒜泥白肉。Shandong cuisine is another well-known cuisine in China, and perhaps the most influential, as many of the early emperors employed chefs that came from Shandong. Shandong dishes are known for their savory flavors and a wide variety of ingredients. Some representative dishes of Shandong Cai include 烤鸭、糖醋鲤鱼和锅塌豆腐。Another popular cuisine is Yue Cai, or what we typically call Cantonese cuisine in English. Cantonese dishes tend to be lighter in taste and utilize only a small amount of spices. This cuisine places a lot of emphasis on the freshness of ingredients, which is why when you visit a Cantonese restaurant, chances are you will see some fish tanks out front with live fish swimming around. Some representative dishes of Yue Cai include 广东粥、辣味和云吞面。The final Chinese cuisine we will look at is known as Huaiyang cuisine. It's known for its meticulous knife-cutting skills. The goal is to bring out the original flavors of the ingredients. It also tends to use more sugar than other Chinese cuisines, giving its dishes a sweeter taste. Some representative dishes of Huaiyang Cai include 红烧狮子头、蟹黄汤包和咸水鸭。Which one of these cuisines is your favorite?